Hey dolls! So today's video is going to be another clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and just like having everything put together nice and neatly. And you dolls seem to love these cleaning videos, and you dolls seem to love my kitchen. Like anytime I post my kitchen on TikTok, Instagram, here on YouTube, anywhere, the comments are just, you dolls love it. So I thought, why not? It's time to clean my kitchen. Why not pick up my camera and get a video out for the week for you dolls? So I'm going to be deep cleaning, not too much. We'll see. We'll see what goes on in there because it is due for a clean. So I'm going to be just like making sure it's like perfect because it's my kitchen. I just love my kitchen being very clean. Like that's the main area I love to be really clean, and it gets really annoying when it gets kind of messy. So on that note, your coffee, grab your tea, grab a drink, and make yourself comfortable. You're going to want to be comfortable because a lot of you say that these cleaning videos relax you. So make yourself comfortable, grab a drink, grab your coffee, and let's do this. Clean with me. Let's go, dolls. So this is my kitchen before. I'm probably going to get done when it's night. I don't know, it's going to take me a while to clean all of my kitchen up. What we're going to do is like wash dishes. We're not doing any mopping. I mopped the floor earlier this week. I probably will sweep the floor, I don't know. But I'm going to tackle my oven, my microwave. There's just like, it's just getting it in order. As you can see, it just needs to be done. I have to put these dishes away that are there. Just like clearing up. As you can see, it's not too messy, but it just needs a bit of love and care. So yeah, we're going to get started right now. I absolutely love that candle in the kitchen, pink lavender espresso, especially next to my coffee maker, Chef's Kiss. So I want to introduce you dolls to a product that I've been using in my kitchen and toilet, Clorox wipes. I know everyone knows about Clorox wipes, but I absolutely love them. I love this exact one. And it's not pink, but I guess here's a little bit of pink. Clorox, you need to make this in pink because it's kind of killing my aesthetic. I'm joking. I have a lot of non-pink things inside my house, trust me. But anyway, so this I love. It's a really good product. I actually love and prefer to use them on my surface, like wipes. Especially like everyday cleans. I prefer this than using like what I just used, the pink stuff. I prefer this on everyday cleaning up after any little spill or anything. Dolls, and just like that, I am clean. My kitchen is all clean and back to normal. I leave the dishes to just dry on the side overnight, well, because it's nighttime now. And then I like put them up in the morning, and my kitchen is all clean. All the surfaces are so clean, and everywhere just smells so good. Like, I just love how clean my kitchen turned out. And I love taking you dolls along with me. It makes cleaning so much more fun when I get to like document it and put it on YouTube. So I love these clean with me videos. They are so healing for me and therapeutic. So I get a lot of comments from you dolls saying the same thing, that you enjoy watching these and they kind of like do something for your soul. So yeah, I enjoyed it. This candle, seriously, get it. But yes, my kitchen is clean. For now, it's going to be all messy again. Like, it's constant when you're just... So yeah, it's constant. As I was saying, when you're living life, things just keep getting messy. Like, it's just part of life. I've realized you can't help it. So I just love taking you on just such a mundane experience, which is just cleaning. It's just so healing to me. I love it. But yes, I hope it inspired you to get up and clean your kitchen as well. But yeah, I enjoyed this video, and I hope you dolls did too. So it's evening now. I'm gonna, make myself a little meal and turn off the lights, because I normally like my kitchen with no lights on in the nighttime. So yes, I guess thank you so much for watching this video, dolls. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, just look at the glam in the kitchen. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. We have reached the end of the video, but before we end this video, I want to know who's been watching this video to the end of the video. How I would know is with our secret word of the video of today, and that's going to be, I want you dolls to go in the comment section and comment the 2 pink love hearts that are on top of each other. I'm going to put a picture in this video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So comment that in the comment section down below. Also, I want to know what your favorite cleaning products are. Let me know in the comment section down below what products you're using. Maybe I might learn a trick or two from you dolls. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. So we're done, dolls. If you enjoyed my kitchen clean with me video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. My nails are not done, so we're just gonna have to do it this way. Smooches. Bye, dolls. Bye.